You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, and I've made quite an extensive research on how it's pronounced, so this is going to be the best video on the topic on the internet. And yeah, this is what I do. Dalhousie is generally how it's pronounced. That's the most common pronunciation. That's for the university in Canada, Halifax. That's also for the castle in Scotland, and other pronunciations, Dalhousie. But there is one place that is called Port Dalhousie in Ontario, Canada, which is pronounced Dalhousie. There's also a town in India that's pronounced Dalhousie. So Dalhousie is generally how it's pronounced, unless it's Port Dalhousie. So sometimes it can be pronounced Dalhousie. Generally, Dalhousie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.